Go ahead.
So, I mean, this was a very beautiful, very deep conversation. I think you're really good at interviewing and really digging deep into kind of the questions, and you made us both feel very comfortable. And I think I also like how you were very much Ahsen, Sara, Sara. I think that you kept the flow going, and the questions were very diverse, and they were all like building up to kind of the conscious living aspect, so I think there was a lot of beautiful flow to it. I think that the conversation, how you led it, is you're doing it in a way to really bring impact to the audience and the listeners, and I think that's really, really beautiful. And it went by so quickly, which is really awesome.
That is good. That's good. Oh, okay. No, thank you so much. Thank you. I really appreciate that.
So first of all, I'd like to thank you. This was a wonderful conversation. I didn't feel like it was like an interview at all. It was basically just like chit-chatting with, a friend. And I mean, I myself, I worked as a journalist for a long time ago. Oh, wow. And, and even in my academic studies, I had to interview a lot of people. So being on the side who interviews people, it didn't feel like an interview at all.
Excellent.
And as Sara mentioned, there was a wonderful flow to it. And I'm actually amazed how in such a short time, maybe in less than an hour, we actually got so deep in the conversation. So I thought that was wonderful, and I hope people will enjoy listening to that as well.
Wonderful. Thank you.